when there's a snowstorm, you can make a hello with this. If I throw this at the tree, it'll break, okay? Because snow is easy to break. Some are solid. Either when there's stuff on it. I mean, either if there's snowflakes and snow on trees, but then you accidentally fall on the tree, on the leaves, it will hurt. The snow is wet too, hard, and it's fluffy too, but easy to break. Oh, you're fluffy and cold. Hey, could you look up there? Yeah, that's snow.
Oh, lintigan!
Please subscribe. Either leave a like to this video